With the location for this year's UK-based I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here becoming common knowledge, it appears that drones are again hitting the headlines as everyone from paparazzi to hobbyist flyers have a go at getting some footage. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. As many of you will know, the popular UK TV show I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here is usually based and filmed from a location in New South Wales in Australia. However, with the pandemic, the decision was made to base the show in the UK. The location picked was a castle nestled along the North Wales coastline. As you can see from these screenshots of the NotAM Drone Assist app, there is a warning in place for anyone looking to fly their drone in the area. This warning surrounds increased aerial activity for the area in general. As you might expect, the production of the show itself uses a lot of aerial support, not just in terms of helicopters and drones for filming, but also security and safety aspects. One prime example is this clip showing the arrivals coming into the camp in a helicopter formation. This superb flying was handled by the aerial film company, who flew the contestants in with 5 helicopters, all being filmed by a 6th. Exciting, and it made for a dramatic entrance for viewers. The details within the Drone Assist app note that the warning is in place from Friday, November the 13th up to Saturday, December the 5th. It notes that flying your drone in this area could present a security, privacy or safety concern. Further details note that multiple manned and unmanned aerial systems will operate in the area, and anyone looking to fly in the vicinity are asked to contact the sponsors of the NotAM with a couple of mobile numbers provided. It would appear that channel friends over at Crowded Space Drones are involved in the safety operation, according to the NotAM. As you might expect, across the national press and social media, there has been a flurry of activity showing paparazzi and hobbyists alike getting into the air to try and get some exciting shots and footage of the site. Now you might ask, so what? If there isn't an actual no-fly zone, how does this impact my legal right to fly in that area? The issue here is that the NotAM, Notice to Airmen, is warning you that there's going to be a lot of activity in the area and clearly asks you to liaise with crew via a simple phone number. Flying in the area without doing so could constitute an offence under Article 241 of the Air Navigation Order, in that a person must not recklessly or negligently cause or permit an aircraft to endanger any person or property. You could easily argue that flying our DJI Mavics and Phantoms into this area, knowing what is happening on the ground, would certainly fall foul of the Air Navigation Order and land us in significant trouble. Of course, there are those who carry the label paparazzi who are always willing to push the law to gain footage, which could be worth serious money to the right newspaper. So, this story is a great example of how using the right apps and researching your flight before you go up could well save you a visit from the police and help keep our hobby off the front pages for the wrong reasons. What are your thoughts on this story? I would really like to know them, so get commenting below. And if you're still watching this video, would you mind hitting the like? I would really appreciate it.
What? Well, you're hanging around. I thought I'd hang around with you. What are we waiting for? Oh, that's it? Well, why are you still here then? It's like the blind leading the blind.